the lane. Lights are flashing brightly through the sun or rain. B is for bus, cheerful and bright, driving through the city, bringing joy and sight. C is for car, zipping near and far, helping us explore wherever we are. D is for dump truck, hauling heavy loads, clearing dirt and rubble on bumpy roads. Ambulance, bus, cars that zoom, dump trucks shifting earth to make room. Vehicles we see each day, helping us in every way. E is for excavator, digging deep and wide, shaping the land with strength and pride. F is for fire truck, speeding down the street, ready to fight flames with heroic feats. G is for garbage truck, keeping things clean, rolling down alleys, a rumbling machine. H is for helicopter, flying high and free, above the hills and valleys, over land and sea. Excavators and fire trucks strong, garbage trucks keeping streets clean all day long. Helicopters soaring through the sky, vehicles that never shy. I is for ice cream truck, a sound we adore, bringing frozen treats to every door. J is for jeep, ready for a quest, climbing rugged trails and passing every test. K is for cart, zooming round the bends, fast and nimble where the fun never ends. L is for limousine, sleek and grand, carrying special passengers across the land. Ice cream trucks and jeeps so tough, carts for speed and limos for luxury stuff. Vehicles bringing thrills and grace, driving us to every place. M is for motorcycle, roaring down the road, freedom on two wheels, a story untold. N is for navy ships, sailing the sea, protecting the waters, brave and free. O is for overland truck, ready to explore, crossing deserts and mountains, seeking more. P is for police car, patrolling the streets, keeping us safe with flashing beats. Motorcycles roar, navy ships glide, overland trucks climb, police cars guide. Vehicles we trust and know, on water, land and streets they go. Q is for quad bike, racing through the dirt, bouncing on trails where fun doesn't hurt. R is for rocket, blasting into space, reaching for the stars at a thrilling pace. S is for scooter, zipping through the town, smooth and nimble, never slowing down. T is for tractor, plowing fields with care, helping farmers grow food to share. Quad bikes jump, rockets climb, scooters zip with speed and time. Vehicles that do things right, helping our world shine so bright. U is for utility truck, ready to repair, fixing what is broken here and everywhere. V is for van, spacious and wide, delivering goods with care inside. W is for wagon, pulled by steady force, carrying treasures along its course. X is for X-ray truck, peering deep inside, solving mysteries with technology as a guide. Y is for yacht, sailing on the sea, gliding through waves where dreams run free. Z is for Zeppelin, floating in the air, a gentle. Utility trucks and vans we see, wagons roll on X-rays peak deep, yachts on waves, Zeppelins on high, vehicles take us through sea and sky. From A to Z we've reached the end, with every vehicle our journey ascends. Air, water, road and construction too, vehicles make adventures come true.